practicing. In yesterday class, we have discussed the identities and some more factors, problems. And now I am going to start exercise 2.5. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Use suitable identities to find the following products. To find the following products. So children, already I think all identities are saved in your e-notebook. Use those identities to appropriate. X plus 5 into x plus 2. 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 It is x plus 5 into x plus 2. It is not in the identity. So first multiplying with x into x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 2s are 10. Again x square 2x plus 5x 7x plus 10. Here 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 3x whole square minus 2 square. Since a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 3x whole square, 3 square x square. 3 square x square minus 2 square 4. 3 square 9, 3 into 3. X square minus 4. That's it. Next. X square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. X square minus 1 by x square. This is equal to, this is also in the form of a square plus b square, a plus b into a minus b. What is a here? X square. Here x square whole square minus b square 1 by x square whole square. This is equal to x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. That's it. Up down. Products without actual multiplication. Here 101 into 99. The first one is 101 into 99. We don't do actual multiplication. We write in the form of identity. 100 plus 1 into 100 minus 1. We can write 100 plus 1, 101, 100 minus 1, 99. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A plus b. A square minus b square. 100 minus 1. A plus b into 100 square. 100 square means 10,000. 110,000 minus 1. 1 square 1. Now 10,000 minus 1, 9,999. That's it. Next, 50 plus 1 by 2, third one. 50 1 by 2 into 49 into 49 1 by 2. This is equal to, of course, where this is 50.5. Into 49.05. Of course, 0.5, not 0.5, 0.5. 50.5 into 49.5. We can write it 50 plus 0.5 into 50 minus 0.5. Now, a plus b into a minus b. A square. 50 square minus 0.5 square. 50 square, 5 is 2500 minus 0.5 square, 0.25. 0.25. Now subtract minus 0.25. Capital children. Sixteen x square plus 24 xy plus 9y square. Once check, is it in the form of identity? Any identity? 4x square 9y square. Yes, it is in the a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 4x whole square plus 3y whole square. First write a square plus b square. Then plus 2ab 4x into b 3y. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square. 4x plus 3y whole square. This is equal to 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. Next, 4x square minus y square by 25. 4x square minus y square by 25. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Look like completely. Now we write 2x whole square minus y by 5 whole square. A square minus b square. A plus b. A minus b. That's it. Come it down. Minus 50 fourth. 18 a square minus 50. 50 is not a square value. It's not 18 also not a square value. So we common 2. If we take common 2, 9 2s are 18 minus 25. 2 common means divide by 2. Here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. 2 into we multiply here. So we divide by 2. 18 by 2, 9. 2 into 3a whole square minus 5 square. 2 into a square minus b square. 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. It's easy. Next, 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Here 36 6 square we can write, but 3 we cannot write. P square minus 24p plus 36 minus 6p minus 18p minus 6p plus 36. Take 3p common, 3p, p minus 6 minus 6 common, p minus 6. Take p minus 6, 3p minus 6. P minus 6 into 3p minus 6. It's not in the form of any identity. That's why we write like this. Copy down. Question time. Is 4z whole square. You know x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. That is identity. Now x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. If we compare x equal to x, y equal to y, z equal to 4z. X square plus y 2y whole square, put bracket, plus z 4z whole square, 2xy 2 into x y 2y plus 2yz 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 ca zx 2 into z 4z into x. Now x square 2y whole square 4y square 16z square x square plus 4y square 16z square 4xy 16 yz 8zx. That's it. Next, I tell you again on another. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. This is also in the form. Now, but a equal to minus 2a, b equal to 5b, c equal to minus 3c. A square minus 2a whole square plus b square 5b whole square plus 3c whole square plus 2ab. Now 2 into ab minus 2a into 5b plus 2bc 2 into bc 2 into 5b minus 3c, 5b minus 3c, 5b minus 3c plus 2ca, 2 into c minus 3c a, 5b. Now this is equal to minus 2a whole square plus 4a square, 5b whole square 25b square, 3c whole square plus 9c square, plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 ab, plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10 30 bc, minus 30 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 bc. CA, what is plus 2 CA minus 3C into minus 3C into minus 2A. This is minus 3C into minus 2A. BC CA, what is C? Minus 3C into minus 2A. So minus into plus 2 3s are 6, 12 BC, 12 CA, 12 CA. So copy to children. Do the remaining in exercise 2.5 up to fourth sum. Finish all those. If you have any doubts, post me. Okay, bye.
బండి ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు ఇంకెళ్ళలేదు